Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under Pearson Edexcel Level 1, Level 2 GCSE exam. Question number 22. We have to find the coordinate of the turning point on the curve with the equation y equals to 9 plus 18x minus 3x, and we must show all our workings. Now, we know the curve of a quadratic equation that has the x squared term coefficient to be negative is going to be something that is going to pour water, or is going to be the hill shape. So this is the curve. Now we want to see the turning point. So the turning point is a point at which we have the line of symmetry. So the line of symmetry is going to pass through a point on the x-axis. So that point on the x-axis is a line of symmetry. Then we need to find its counterpart point. If I have the y-axis to be here, the counterpart point here, which is B. So this is what we are looking for, the point here, the A, B. Now there are two ways of arriving at these kind of solutions. One is to just say that if I have y equals to 9 plus 18x minus 3x squared, I can find the line of symmetry at the turning point. So I can say that x is equals to, okay, let's say line of symmetry is going to be x equals to minus b over 2a, where in this case our a is the coefficient of the x squared term, going to be minus 3. Our b is going to be the coefficient of the x term, going to also be 18. So per substitution, our x will become, there's a minus b, right? Negative 18 divided by twice the first term, which is going to be minus 3. So what happened here? You'll be having negative in here as 18, negative 6, because 3 times 2 will be 6. But because of a negative, I have that to be 3. Negative divided by negative is positive. So 18 divided by 6 will give us the 3. It means the A is being found. How do we find the B, the corresponding value on the y-axis? You can see y is equal to this. So if I substitute the value of x into this, I'll get the coordinate of y. So that implies that y equals to 9 plus 18x. And what is the x? X is 3. Minus 3x squared. And what is the x? 3. So we are going to have this as 9 plus, I think 30, 50. Okay, so we have 54 minus 9 times 3, 27. So what happened here? We are going to have this minus 27 will still be 27. 27 plus 9 will give us 36. Meaning here will be 3, here will be what? 36 on the x and y axis respectively. So I can say that the turning point, we need an x coordinate, which we found as 3. We need a y coordinate, which was what? 36. So this is the value for the turning point using the formula of the line of symmetry. Now we can also arrive at this using the completing the square, whereby we have the turning point to be ax minus b all square plus or minus what? K, where this and this are the point you're looking for. So whatever is here is the coordinate on the x-axis. Whatever is here is the coordinate on the y-axis. Let's try that also and see. So for that reason, let's just say y equals to 0. Then all this will become, let's rearrange it as negative 3x squared plus 18x plus 9 equals what? 0. You know y is 0, so we have 0. What do? let's see that we have a negative number in front. So let's factorize that out. So minus 3 out. Dividing this will give you x squared. When you divide this, because of the negative, we have negative, what would that be? 6x. Since this is also dividing the 9, it gives us minus 3 or equals what? 0. So now let's concentrate in the bracket. How do we do completing the square? We find half of the middle term and square it, add it and subtract it, right? So from here, let's see how we are going to do that. We have minus 3, let's keep it out. Our x squared minus 6x. Remember, half of minus 6 is minus 3. The square of that will be positive 9. So I'll be adding the 9. Then I have my minus 3. Then I'll be subtracting the 9 again. You know, in the actual sense, we add to the left and add to the right. But here we are doing everything on the left. So we add the 9, then we subtract the 9. So that we will still have the 3 terms intact. So that will give us minus 3. In here, the first 3 terms is a perfect trinomial. You know, this is going to be 3 squared. 3 squared, half of this will give us a 3. So we have our x minus 3 all squared. This becomes minus 12 equals to 0. You know, minus 3 minus 9 minus 12. So now let's expand this bracket to have minus 3 x minus 3 all squared negative 3 times negative 12 positive 36 equals what? 0. So remember, we mentioned that the number here and the number here are the turning point. So therefore, the turning point is going to be first one 3, second one 36, just like we had from the first example. All right, so either we take the completing the square method or we use the line of symmetry. I guess the concept is clear. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.